Wait, weird coffee.
Whatever that is, I want.
Ooh, yeah.
I don't know what it is, but that's it. You stand up.
How do you feel? It's your last full day in Siargao.
Don't even remind me. I'm so jealous that you guys are staying. And I'm leaving.
Not yet.
Not yet.
You order the table? Order the counter? Oh, okay. Hi there, how are you? Good. And we need a couple things.
You want a garlic rice or plain rice?
Can we not do scrambled? Can we do regular like fried eggs?
Yes, sir, of course.
With garlic rice.
I'll do a hot coffee latte. And I'll do the French toast with the bacon and scrambled eggs.
Okay, please have French toast, bacon and scrambled eggs. And I will have the dirty matcha latte. Oh, sorry, ice. So Jan over here, he always picks all of our restaurants because he likes to look at reviews and make sure it's cute and it's good and stuff like that. So Jan, how did you pick this restaurant?
Let's go.
Did you look at the reviews or the pictures?
I did Google, I did Instagram.
Oh, you looked at their Instagram?
Yeah.
See guys, this guy, he goes ham on looking for places. For me, I just walk around and I just kind of pick a place. But yeah, Jan, he does his research. He does his research, guys. And if you want to follow Jen, what's her Instagram?
Fry that lumpia.
Fry that lumpia. I'll link that in the comments below if you want to follow Jan. He eats a lot. What kind of content do you post on your Instagram?
Food, travel.
Yeah. Food, travel. Maybe you should do a cooking show or something.
Well, maybe sometime in the future.
Yeah. Well, so tonight we're gonna have a private chef come to our villa and cook, and then Jan's gonna help out. So yeah, we're gonna get some content for Jan.
Huh?
We're gonna get some content for Jan.
Okay, we're there.
All right, we're gonna wait for our breakfast, and we'll catch you guys later. What is this, Jan?
Creamy Cloud9. Cloud9 is a spa for serving. So I don't know, this is what we're trying.
Ooh, all the way to the rim. All right, give it a taste. Good?
Yeah, it's like Vietnamese cup.
Ooh, let me try.
Yeah, I think I like it.
All right, let's give it a try. Yeah, very creamy. It's really good.
Earthy, maybe butterfly, I don't know.
What is this awesome thing?
Big actually.
What is it?
The earthy matcha latte. Earth Day matcha latte.
But what's the blue thing?
I have no idea what it is.
Oh
The
wow.
ocean. It is the ocean. Like that. You have the water, the earth, and then the fire.
Earth Day.
So we got the Leica going on, we got the DJI going on, we got some FM going on, and dance with me. It takes the village, guys. It takes a village to create content. We got the professional photographer over here.
Alright, I need to make sure this is recording. Hold on. Okay, we're good.
3, 2, 1. Wait, let's do some. I got all that in there. One more time. Go center a little bit.
Hold on, I want to make sure that this is okay.
Yeah. Okay, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yeah.
Alright, here. Hi guys.
Mine's sausage.
The matcha's thick. Wow, look at this. I got bacon, eggs, and French toast. What is this? Sausage?
The Benedict.
Benedict. Marco got the same thing. What did you get?
Tocino.
Oh, okay, wait for you. Alright guys, we put another device into the mix. This is the, what's it? It's the
Insta360.
Insta360. And I'll show you guys, I'll try to post the footage after we shoot it. Alright.
Alright. I like the butterfly. It's not heavy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. You guys want to see the footage? How cool is that? We have all the gear. Jan also has a drone that we're gonna play with today. Wait for it. Thank you.
We can all share one.
Didn't you just say you were so full?
We can share all of us one.
We'll try one. The best seller. That's right.
We'll be right there for you to choose down there.
I'm so full right now.
You're still gonna eat it.
So full. We'll be back.
Okay.
In a cup, yeah.
That's perfect.
Ooh, look at this shell. Hello.
We're just here waiting their time. Oh, this is one face. Not the best coconut ice cream that I
Where?
I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, Amar sent it to me.
Yep.
We have to go.
I was gonna take it there. Oh, no.
I know, I saw.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm here. I'm here.
Thank you.
Spoon. I hate you so much.
What is it?
Halika.
What is it?
Halika.
What's halika?
Butterfly puppy.
What is it?
Puppy butterfly.
Butterfly?
It's called sargao. The name of the item is called sargao.
It's different.
It tastes like yogurt.
Yeah.
And it is butterfly petite.
Like a healthy burger.
Oi. This boy, he just said he's so full, he can't even walk, and now he's eating ice cream.
Yep.
I can't with this one, I can't. He's
I love to
crazy.
eat. I travel to eat.
He traveled to eat.
And I'm the skinniest one.
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say, Jan?
I don't know what you're saying.
What are you trying to say?
He's calling you out.
No, he said he doesn't know what I'm saying.
I didn't take it home.
Ooh, look at this. Look at all these bins. Recycle. What is this one? Non-biodegradable, hazardous waste, and biodegradable. Good job, Shargal. Good job. Oh, I'm so full. Oh, get that baby blue one. Absolutely.
Wait, how do you call?
How much is it?
$250.
250, so that's like $5 US. Some action shots. This is the soup?
Yes,
Ooh.
it's kansi.
Yum. Lumpia. Oops. Whoa, what is that?
Let's just see.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Good idea, Dan.
What?
Good idea. Alright guys, so tonight is Marco's last night here in the Philippines, and we're celebrating by having a private dinner here in our villa, and we hired some amazing chefs, local chefs from Siargao, and oh my gosh, it looks amazing. I'll just wait for everything to come out before I film it all for you guys. So excited! Marco, how does it feel?
Sad.
You're sad?
Leaving?
Yeah, how do you feel?
I don't want to leave.
You don't want to leave?
But I'm ready to go home too.
You miss your puppies and your
I
man?
can't stand you anymore. You snore like crazy. So yeah, I'm ready to go
I've
home.
heard that a lot.
Go back to my puppies. Go back to Sergio, and go back to work too.
Yeah.
It's been a great 2 weeks, but I think
Wonderful.
I'm ready to go home.
Yeah. And what is your favorite part of this trip?
I think the food. I mean, we've been eating like crazy.
The entire trip, the food is your
Seriously,
favorite.
we ate like crazy every day, and you know, we would snack, then we would eat, then we would snack after eating, and then 2 hours later, all over again. So I think the food is gonna be.
And what would you say is your favorite dish so far?
I don't even know what I ate. I don't even.
Do you like? Was it a meat? Was it a veggie?
I don't know what
was
I
it a
ate
soup?
these past 2 weeks, but everything was so delicious.
It was
I
so
think-
much,
you know what?
right?
The fish.
The fish.
we
Oh.
had last night, the spicy extra.
Oh
spicy
yes, yes, that
was so good.
Chinese mala fish.
That was really
Oh
good.
yeah, that was the mala fish from the Chinese restaurant.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Oh wow.
My goodness, so much food. Thank you.
Thank you for
That's
this.
good. That's good. That's good.
You don't have to eat it all, Marco.
It's not like just for me already.
Yeah.
Change this out. Yeah, thank you.
Wow, this is crazy, guys. Oh my gosh. Ah! And this entire dinner was Jan's idea, so thank you, Jan, for coming up with this idea. He always has the best ideas and always good with food and what to eat, when to eat, how to eat, where to eat. Everything is like,
Conversation.
huh?
I recorded the whole conversation.
The whole dinner.
Oh, okay.
You better.
We can relit. We're
You
putting
better.
captions.
You
we're
better
putting
edit out
captions.
my American Airlines
I
experience.
know. When you were saying that, I totally forgot that was on. I was like,
You better edit that out.
We can live in there.
Guys, excuse me.
Yeah.
Can we have a last picture?
absolutely.
Because we're gonna go home.
Okay.
We're 1 hour away from here.
Yeah, you guys go ahead and go.
How far you guys there?
1 hour away from here.
Oh, where do you guys, like what area?
Dapa, Onion. Yes, Dapa. It's near.
North or south?
Ano?
So west.
Kinda near
Del Conde?
Sayak Airport.
Oh, the
So
airport.
it's kind of
Del
far.
Carmen, right?
Damn.
Yeah, Del Carmen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
So where do you want the photo?
Just
Here?
here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Just a selfie.
Is it lighting okay here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, thank you guys.
Wait, where? What are we doing?
Wait.
The lighting is get there. One, the spotlight direct to us, or
Just find this backyard.
is it? Where?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Vertical. Instagram. Come on, Dan.
Who's gonna come out?
Oh wait, let's do timer.
Wait.
Daddy country?
Yeah. Timer. Wait, that's not there. How to go back?
He doesn't know how to use
Oh, that one.
Oh my god. I got it. Okay, cool.
Where are we?
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Your hard work.
Thank you.
Thank you. And she's a chef at Yacht.
Nice.
And it's like her videos are like what she makes every single day for them. And it's like really cool account. I absolutely love that account.
That's crazy.
Thank you. Thank you.
I talked to Ricky. He's gonna.
Take care, man.
Take care. No, yeah.
We're good.
All right, guys. That's the end of dinner. We had an amazing time. The food was amazing. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's past further. Yeah.
How was that, Marco? How was dinner?
It was a 15 out of 10.
15 out of 10. Dang.
good.
Which one was your favorite?
I can't decide. Probably the
Can't
soup.
decide.
I think the soup was so good. And
The
dessert
soup.
was so good.
Mm.
But the other stuff was really good too. So I don't know.
Everything.
From 3, probably like
Jan,
like 5 a.m. to like now.
what was your favorite dish?
The whole fucking experience.
The whole experience. Good one. That's a good answer.
Private chef experience.
Yes.
Right in our villa.
Right in our villa.
I think
Dan?
I'm done.
Yeah.
What do you think? What was your favorite?
Delicious. Everything was super good. The Toronto was super good. I think it was one of my favorites.
Oh, the dessert.
The Toronto was good. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, this was an amazing experience. I don't think I've ever, well, not personally anyways, I probably booked it for other people, but this was an amazing experience. So do it, guys. Spend a little extra money, do it. And my favorite item, I can't decide. Each of them was just so good. No favorite. All right, guys. I think that is the end of tonight. If you enjoyed this kind of video, this kind of content, into the secret life of Tree, subscribe, comment, like, let me know what do you guys think, and let me know if you guys have Filipino food before. All right, check you guys out. Bye.